If someone is considering China, based on our sources, where should they focus their search geographically?
Beijing and Shanghai consistently come up as the top recommendations. They just have the highest concentration of world-class facilities catering to international patients. Plus, they're major travel hubs.
Are there other options?
Yes, several other cities are mentioned. Tianjin, Chongqing, Guangzhou we mentioned, Wuhan, Xi'an, even places like Haikou and Sanya in Hainan province, which is positioning itself as a health tourism zone. Each might have strengths in specific areas.
So the choice depends on.
Really, it comes down to the specific treatment you need, the hospital's reputation in that field, location convenience for you, and the level of language and support services they offer.
Are there certain types of treatments that are particularly well suited for medical tourism in China based on these advantages?
The guide suggests focusing where China has that clear cost and efficiency advantage. Also, treatments that don't require extremely long stays, maybe under 30 days, can be logistically simpler with visas and travel.
Such as?
Things like dental work, eye care, or optical services, getting vaccinations, preventive health checks, and definitely, traditional Chinese medicine therapies are often cited as good, efficient, cost-effective options.
Interesting. We also looked at that study on what Chinese residents themselves want from health tourism. Did that offer any parallels?
It did. It showed high interest. Over 70% were interested, but maybe lower actual awareness of options. For them, the main drivers were often relaxation, getting checkups, or general health care.
And their concerns?
Similar in some ways to what internationals might worry about. Top concerns were the professional level and quality of the place, personal privacy, and the attitude of the staff. Main barriers were cost, lack of time, and finding reliable institutions.
So quality, privacy, service, pretty universal concerns.
Exactly. They also preferred traveling with others and really valued comprehensive services, booking, transport, accommodation help, translation, insurance, whole package. The analysis of their feedback really emphasized needing better propaganda, meaning marketing and awareness, along with good service and fair price.
One source mentioned this idea of a tale of two worlds in Chinese healthcare. What was that about?
Ah, yes. That piece highlighted the significant gap that can exist between the advanced, well-funded hospitals in major cities and the resources available in poorer, more rural regions. It's a complex picture.
How so?
Well, it means some Chinese citizens might actually travel abroad for certain cutting-edge treatments not easily accessible everywhere domestically, while at the same time, those highly developed urban centers are attracting waves of international patients.
A real contrast. So looking ahead, what areas are seeing particular growth?
Cosmetic surgery seems to be a leading segment. There's ongoing buzz around stem cell therapy advancements, although careful research is vital there. And generally, wellness tourism, combining health checks or treatments with relaxation and travel, it's also growing.
Okay, let's try to wrap this up. If you had to summarize the key advantages for someone considering medical treatment in China, what would they be?
I'd say the big three are potential for major cost savings, access to advanced technology in top-tier hospitals, and often much shorter waiting times. Plus, that unique option of integrating traditional Chinese medicine.
And the most crucial piece of advice.
Be informed. Be aware of the potential hurdles like language or varying standards. Do your homework, choose accredited institutions, research thoroughly, and absolutely make use of the support systems like navigators and translators that are available. Preparation is key.
Right. Preparation and realistic expectations. Okay, that brings us nearly to the end, but here's something to leave you with. As China's medical tourism sector keeps growing so rapidly, and as global healthcare connections deepen, what new possibilities and maybe new challenges will emerge for patients, for providers, for the whole global health picture? Definitely something to think about. Thanks for joining us on The Deep Dive.